In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix any Bluetooth issue related to your Google Pixel 6, especially if you can't connect to your speakers or your car Bluetooth connection. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings, and for simplicity, I have the settings app here. Next, we want to enable developer options, which you do that by going over to the about phone, and then you go all the way down. And then where you see build number, you tap that plenty of times until you get a message that you got developer mode. I already have mine. So once you tap build number about 5 to 10 times, you need to go back, and then you will go to system, and then you're gonna see developer options. So once you click developer options, it's gonna take you to a different menu. There is a setting in here related to Bluetooth that we need to enable. And if you keep scrolling down, you're gonna see a disable Bluetooth A2DP hardware offload. By default, this is off, so you need to go ahead and turn that on. The moment you turn it on, the phone will restart. And then go ahead and at that point, try to connect your phone to your car or your speakers, and that should fix it. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.